Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the digital clock look like this. This kind of digital clock, how to make step by step in Python, right? Python GUI application. Okay, this is the simple clock application, how to make step by step. Okay, let me dive into the step by step tutorial. I have made the project using the PyCharm. This is the editor. I already show how to install the PyCharm editor in your machine. It's a community edition. So you have to open up. So here I'm going to create the new project. So you have to create this project. So I'm going to create a new project. If you want to see, here right click, select this one, Python project. So here, if you want to create the new project, you have to name it as digital clock. Okay, click create. This window I'm going to create the new project. Right, so you have to wait till wait. Okay, so the until all the project, okay, it's created successfully. Select this folder, right click, new file, select Python file, digital clock. Right, I just took to right. Press enter key on your keyboard. Here the project has been created. This code I have pasted it. I'll be explained, don't worry about that. First you have to import the Tkinter package. This is the package we have implemented to do the Python GUI application. For we have to implement the Tkinter. Okay, if you are not implement this class, we want do the GUI application of Python. So if you want to do the GUI application project, you must implement this class, which is Tkinter. Inside this class, we can access all the labels and text boxes, all the things. So first you type from Tkinter import asterisk. So you have to, if you put asterisk, all the text boxes, labels, all the tools we can import from the Tkinter class. Okay, not only this code I provide you, you can find it in my video description. You will be able to get this all the source code. Don't worry. After that, you type this one also, Tkinter tk import. This all the packages. Okay, this all the GUI packages. So after that, in this project, I'm going to make the time, the digital clock. So if you see the demo, this is simple demo. Here you can see the demo, right? This is the project we are going to teach. Okay, this is the demo, right? So this is the demo, the current time it will be displayed as a digital format, right? Okay, so in order to display the time, so you have to write it here, this one, strf time. You have to import this package as well. Okay, so you have to import the time, right? So after that, this windows tk, mean this tkinter, we have to call it here tk. Then when the windows is open, you can call this window. Okay, you have to call it here. The title we have to write as a digital clock. Title mean Windows title, the digital clock. This is Windows title, right? After that, there is a function. This function run when the programming is run. We have to call this here. This function we have to call over here, right? How to write the function in Python? We have to write the def keyword to write the type function name, which is a time. First, you have format. You have to write the format. So you have to get the string str. This is coming from this class. If you import the time, this all the time related components will be reside on here. You have to get this strm here. This is the format we will display the digital clock, right? Okay, minute, second, hour, everything it will display. Okay, right? After that, we have the label. Okay, so label. The label is a label. It's a label. This is a label. So labels, right? Just label, right? So this is a label. You have right configure, right? After that, you have right label Windows font. We have to give the Arial. The font size would be 50. Background color we have set as black. Foreground means this is letter color. I am going to select as a yellow. These are the all things we have to given over here. Okay, this is all the size we have to define over here. This is the one label grid column 0 row 0 means this is the position where your clock could be displayed. We have to uh, tell to the GUI application where your label should be displayed. So we have to tell column 0 row 0 means the first row it would be displayed, right? So that's a simple stuff. This is how we have called the display the time. This is simple code, right? So this is the position. This is the you have set the color and everything. Color, the foreground color, background, but the foreground color you are going to set, but the background your color you have set, but the front you are going to set. These all things you have to explain, implement it over here. When you call the function, when the class is running, this constructor getting running, this constructor will be called. After that, Windows main loop mean it will be displayed over here. Right? The simple stuff you have to do it. Very simple. Okay, it's a very simple program. This is okay. I already saw this is a very simple things we have to display. Okay, this is the time format. Right here, this time is displayed correctly over here. This is very simple digital clock. This is how we have make the digital clock, right? Okay, so first import the Tkinter. Okay, so this is the time. This all the time should be coming from here. This is the package, right? Okay, this is the things. This is the format. This is simple function I have write it here. This is the format where date would be displayed. This is the format. Okay, the string. This how here the time would be displayed. This is simple code we have write. Label configure text string. After 1000 comma time mean this time should be displayed. So it's a label. This is a position. After that, when you call this time, it would be displayed. So if you get rid of this line, again you are running, nothing will be displayed. Okay, the function is we call, so all the things will be designing all the things will be calling there, right? Make sure here if you again running, it working. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.